Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making stir-fry beef with sweet chili peppers. So let's review the ingredients. I have a piece of flank steak. This is sweet chili peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, green onion, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, seasoning salt mix, cornstarch, and some baking soda. For the prep, let's start with slicing the beef. We'll cut it into thin slices against the grain. Okay, so that's done. Let me wash up so we can continue on with the rest of the prep. Okay, so next, let's marinate the beef. I'm going to add just a little bit of baking soda. And this will help tenderize it. Add a bit of cornstarch. And this helps give the beef a velvety texture. Sesame oil. Bit of the seasoning salt. And the Shaoxing wine. So give this a good mix. Okay, so that looks good. So put this aside and let this marinate for 10 minutes. Okay, so next let's mince the ginger and garlic. And I'm just mincing this all together. Okay, that looks good. Next, let's slice the onions. That's here also. And the carrot will also slice. And for the green onions, we'll just cut it into sections. We'll cut it into quarters. Okay, so next let's trim and cut the sweet chilies. Okay, let's remove all the tops. Cut them all in half. And this type of sweet chili has a mild spiciness. And next I'm using a spoon to seed it. If you like it spicier, you can leave all the seeds in. Okay, so now we're going to cut each piece in half. And if you don't have the sweet green chili peppers, you can certainly use a regular bell pepper. So now all the prep is done. Let's wait a few more minutes for the beef to finish marinating and we can start cooking. Okay, I have my pan set at medium-high heat. We'll add some oil. And we're going to cook the beef first. Let it sear on one side for like 30 seconds. Okay, toss it. Let it cook for like another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add some dark soy just to give it a little color. Okay, that looks really good. So let's remove it from the pan. Okay, I gave the pan a quick wash and rinse. We'll dry it off. Heat is still set at medium-high. We'll add oil. We'll add the ginger and onion. Ginger and garlic. We'll add the onion. The carrot. We'll add the peppers. Add some of the seasoning salt mix. Sesame oil. Oyster sauce. Chopping wine. Turn the beef. Add green onions. And give this all a good toss. Okay, so just stir fry this for about a minute to cook the peppers and to combine all the flavors. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's plate this. And this smells wonderful. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fry beef with sweet chili peppers. It's both sweet and spicy with a rich, savory taste. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. She always looks so serious. Ooh, yummy. She loves stir-fried beef. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.